The global plastics market size is expected to reach $752.16 billion in 2028 and register a revenue CAGR of 3.3% during the forecast period, according to the latest report by Reports and Data. Increase in demand for plastic from automotive, construction and electronics is driving the market revenue growth. Increasing population, rapid urbanization, and industrialization are driving plastics market revenue growth. The major reason for high demand for plastics is the fact that they help make lives easier, cleaner, and safe. There are various advantages associated with plastics like low cost, imperviousness to water, and ease of manufacturing, which have resulted in their widespread use in industries such as construction and automotive industry. Increase in application of plastic for packaging is one of its major driving factors, particularly from food and beverage industry. Thanks for watching our videos.